Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have to find the curve which does not end at the starting point. So we have to find what type of curve it is. So generally there are two types of curves. So there are two types of curves. There are two types of curves. One is closed curve and the other one is open curve. Now what is a closed curve? Closed curve is one in which the starting point and end point coincides. And in case of an open curve, starting point and end point do not coincides. Right. So for example of a closed curve will be like this figure. This is a this is an open curve. So a closed curve example will be a circle. So let us assume this is a circle. So as you can see that the starting point and the end point coincides. Also a sphere, a square. A square is also an example of a closed curve because the starting point and the end point coincides. Whereas in case of an open curve, as we have mentioned earlier, the starting point and end point never coincide, so the graphs will be somewhat of this nature. So this is the starting point and this is the end point and they are not coinciding. It can be of this nature also, starting point and end point never coincides. So according to the definition which has been given in the question, that we have to find the curve which does not end at the starting point, so it will be nothing but a closed curve. Therefore, it will be nothing but an open curve. So open curve will be the required answer. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.